How much is this? Like a quarter?
Quit talking to me. That's why I said sometimes it's good to be single because this nigga got me fucked up while I got a pimple inside my nose. Y'all see the pimple inside my nose? I didn't even want to get on video. I didn't even want to show you guys the pimple that I got up in my nose. Shit hurt so bad. And I asked this man to take me out to make myself feel better. Take me to go get Sephora. Go take me to go get some facial shit.
And I'm finna get her $3,000.
Why
would I not give my wife $3,000?
What
shit
money?
For real.
What money?
I stay giving you money.
What money?
$3,000.
Hold on, let me show y'all what the fuck he talking about. Y'all see it?
It's $3,000.
What is Somaliland money doing for me in America?
Let's go do a lot.
Nah, Allah will tell.
Please take the $3,000. Look, 1,000 shingles, 1,000 shingles, 1,000 shingles.
That is 15 pennies. That is 15 pennies in your hand. That's not money. I want USA money, American money. And y'all. Are they closed?
Yeah, we can buy this one. Yeah.
How much?
$1.50 each.
The restaurant is closed.
50 cents, bro. I'm finna buy. Alright,
Then he gonna laugh at you.
that's money. It's $100. It's new shit.
That's $100 bill.
That's $100.
Somaliland.
You said no. No.
Somaliland.
$200, bro. Come on, bro. For real. Give me my
Somalia. Who's from Somalia?
No, bro, don't touch my money. Bro, give me my change, bro. Change for 100.
Somalia.
No, it's not, man.
Who told you this money is
Man,
from
give
our
me
country?
change. Come on, man. Give me change, man.
Hey, lady. Hey,
Who is this?
up to we don't have a judge. Sorry.
Come on, please.
We don't have. Up to we don't have a sorry. Let's go, man.
Está bien, ¿sí? Es mucho dinero.
Sorry about that.
Vámonos.
Change, bro. I got you. 5, 20.
Babe, he already knows you.
I know.
He already knows you.
He knows.
صار magaalada saa u wareegayeen dadkii waxay leeyihiin lacagtan Soomaalida Mareykan ma ka shaqeynayo maxaa u heli waayay Somaliland bana geeyay lacagta xagga ka keensaday ninka number 1 ma aha saasaa lagaa rabaa thank you so much where did you go